Let's get right into it. Number 7. Pixel theory of reality. Imagine zooming in on a photo until it turns into tiny little squares. Now, imagine zooming in on reality and finding the same thing: pixels. Not digital ones, but something just as freaky. Planck length, the smallest possible unit of space. Physicists discovered that space isn't perfectly smooth, it's quantized, meaning it comes in tiny chunks, like pixels on a cosmic screen. You can't go smaller than the Planck scale because that's literally the resolution limit of the universe. It's like the cosmos said, nah, 4 kelvins is enough. And here's the kicker: even time might be pixelated. Some quantum theories say time moves in discrete ticks, not a smooth flow. Which means the universe isn't continuously running, it's updating frame by frame at an unfathomable refresh rate. Basically, your entire existence could be a hyper-realistic simulation, running on the most powerful computer imaginable, and you're just one line of code thinking you're self-aware. If that doesn't make your brain crash, nothing will. Number 6. The math glitch. You ever notice how everything from the spiral of galaxies to the shape of seashells follows mathematical patterns? That's because math is the source code of the universe. Seriously, reality behaves too perfectly, like someone programmed it using equations. Gravity, light, magnetism, atoms all follow strict mathematical laws that never glitch unless we're looking too closely. Here's the weird part. We didn't invent these numbers, we discovered them. The Fibonacci sequence, pi, the golden ratio, they just exist, waiting to be found. Which raises the question, who or what wrote the math that makes everything work? If nature is a program, then physics is the coding language. And quantum mechanics? That's the messy spaghetti code part that keeps breaking and confusing scientists. So, yeah, every time your calculator freezes, just remember it's probably having an existential crisis too. Number 5. The Mandela Effect. You remember the Berenstain Bears, right? Or was it the Berenstein Bears? Yeah, welcome to the Mandela Effect, where thousands of people remember the same wrong detail about reality and refuse to believe it's wrong. People swear Nelson Mandela died in prison decades before he actually did. Others insist the Monopoly man had a monocle. He didn't. Or that the Fruit of the Loom logo had a cornucopia. Nope. It's almost like we're all running slightly different versions of the same simulation, like the developers patched the universe, but some of us never got the update. Psychologists explain it as memory reconstruction, but if we're honest, that sounds like the system reloaded the wrong save file. So the next time you're sure something used to be different, maybe it was. Maybe you just slipped into a parallel instance of the universe. Or maybe the programmers accidentally hit undo. Number 4. The Cosmic Rendering Engine. Ever looked at the night sky and wondered why everything far away looks blurry? Like reality forgot to load the high-resolution textures? That's because vast, endless space might actually be a rendering trick. If our universe were simulated, there'd be no reason to load everything at once. Just like a video game, only the parts you observe would need to be processed in full detail. That's not philosophy, that's a genuine concept in quantum mechanics. The observer effect says that particles don't exist in a definite state until they're observed, meaning the universe only renders reality when someone's looking. So yeah, you're basically the main character in a cosmic video game, and your surroundings only exist because you're perceiving them. Congratulations, you're literally holding the camera that keeps the world from vanishing. Number 3. The random number problem. The universe loves randomness, or at least, it pretends to. At the quantum level, particles pop in and out of existence for no reason. It's called quantum fluctuation. But some scientists have started to wonder, is that truly random, or just pseudo-random? In computer science, pseudo-random numbers only look random. They're actually generated by a formula. So if the universe uses pseudo-randomness, it means there's a hidden algorithm running the show. That would explain coincidences, luck, even fate. They're just bits of code executing perfectly normal instructions. So when you win a 1 in a million raffle or trip over your own foot at the exact worst time, maybe it's not destiny or bad luck. Maybe it's a random number generator having a little fun at your expense. Number 2. The Cosmic Firewall. Black holes are supposed to destroy everything that enters them: light, matter, information, all gone. But quantum physics says information can't be truly destroyed. So where does it go? Some physicists believe black holes act as firewalls, places where reality's data gets stored, compressed, and rewritten, like a massive cosmic hard drive. It's as if the simulation keeps backups of everything that's ever happened, every atom, every thought, every embarrassing thing you've ever said. Sorry, it's all still on file somewhere. If that's true, then death might not even delete you, it just archives you. Somewhere, in a higher level system, you're still data, waiting to be reloaded. Creepy? Yes. Comforting? Also yes. Number 1. The cosmic rendering lag. You know when a video game freezes for a second before loading the next scene? That eerie pause before everything snaps back into motion? Yeah, the universe might do that too. There's something called quantum entanglement, where two particles mirror each other instantly, even across galaxies. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance, because how can something travel faster than light? It can't unless it's not traveling at all. If the universe is a program, then both particles are being updated in the same line of code. Some scientists even think the speed of light is just the maximum data transfer rate the universe's processing limit. And when that limit's stressed, maybe that's when we experience déjà vu, time hiccups, or strange coincidences. So the next time you feel reality lag for half a second like your brain desynced from the world, maybe it did. Maybe the simulation's just loading the next frame.